Hello, this topics basic of forex trading for beginners. How to start is effectively. In this video, this shares some step of effective trading that will help you get started on the right foot. So whether you are just starting out for you are looking for a chance of improving your trading skill, keep the reading with us. First of all, start learning the principle. In the order to trading successfully, it's important to understand the basic in the principle of supply and demand, as well as what types of trading strategies might be suitable for you. You can improve your understanding by reading about trading, watching videos about it, and practicing on demo account. By doing also, you will be able to trade in real more effectively. Second, select a reliable broker. When choosing a broker, you have a pick to one that is competent and has a good reputation. There are many scams out there, so be sure be do your research before selecting a broker. For more information, you may see zero speed forex brokers. You have things easy abilities levels, operation options, trading conditions, and the variety of trading structure offers. Select a forex trading platform. A platform is a software that allows traders buy and sell foreign currency. There are many different trading types of forex trading platform, and choosing the right one can be critical to access in this complex valuation market. While some platforms offer basic features and simple interface, others are much more sophisticated, provide advanced tools for analyze and trade execute. Have a look at the high level forex if you want to when to start trading. Thank you for watching.